Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Insha'Allah ta'ala, today we will analyze ayah number 21 of Surah Mulk. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now this ayah begins with the word Amman hadha alladhi. Now these words are the same as in ayah number 20. So apply the same rules. Read it the same way you did in ayah number 20. So what will you do? You will join your Hamza with the meme over here, which is meme mushaddad, and give it akmal gunna, that is most complete gunna. Your noon over here should be read with moderate time. Do not bounce your noon. And then ha should be given 2 counts. Your dal should join with the lam mushaddad, and your dal over here should be given 2 counts as it is with ya maddiya. Now moving on to this word. Here in this word, your ya will join with the ra. Your ra should be read heavy because it is sakin preceded by a ya maftuh, that is the ya with a fatha. So keep your ra heavy. Now your za over here should be given 1 count because it is just with a dhamma, and your qaf should be read with like 1 count, same like the timing you're giving to your za, because your qaf is also with dhamma. And make your qaf heavy. Your qaf should be heavy without air. Do not read your qaf like the letter kha. Okay, it should be qu, qu. Okay, without air and heavy. Your kaf should join with the meme, and your meme should be given moderate timing. Do not bounce your meme. Now moving on to this part. Your hamza will join with the noon sakina, and here your noon sakina is followed by a hamza. So this rule is idhar, one of the rules of noon sakina. So what will you do over here? Your noon should be read without any gunna, and it should be read clearly. Okay, inshallah. So you will read it like in amsaka. Your meme should be given moderate timing too, without bouncing it. Your scene over here should be given 1 count. It should be with the whistling sound, and it should be light. Your calf should be light too, and it should be given 1 count too. Now moving on to this part, your ra will join with the za, riz, and then your qaf will join with the ha over here, because this ha will be sakin, as we will give a pause over here. Okay, inshallah. So you will read it like rizqah. Okay, and run your ha in the end of this word. Now moving on to this part, balladju. Now you will join your ba with this lam mushaddad, and then this lam mushaddad will join with this jim mushaddad. So it should be balladju. Your jim should be given 2 counts. This alif is sakin, so do not get confused. It's just the writing of the musaf. Okay, balladju. Ju should be given 2 counts. Fi should be given 2 counts too, as it is with ya maddiya. Your ain over here should be from its makhraj, and it should be given 1 count because it is with a dhamma. Your ta will join with the waw mushaddad, and you will raise your voice when you are moving on from the ta to the waw, or to wa. Okay, and then this waw over here is with this tanween. So when tanween is followed by a letter which is waw over here, so this rule over here is idgham. So what will you do? The noon sakina, which is hidden in this tanween, will merge into this waw. So what will you do? You will have to merge the noon sakina into the waw with gunna. Okay, raise your voice on this waw mushaddad, then you have to do gunna, and then you have to read this waw, giving it 1 count, and this noon should be given 1 count because it is with like just with a dhamma. And then what will you do over here at the end? You will read your ra heavy, as this ra is sakin preceded by a sakin which is preceded by a dhamma. Okay, inshallah. So practice well with the Shaykh. Jazakumullahu khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.